Outside the Oregon Convention Center Wednesday, dozens of people waited in line to get a COVID test. Demand for tests is soaring as the fast-moving Omicron variant collides with upcoming family gatherings. Many drugstores are sold out of home tests. Drive-through appointments are few. Right now, one of the best bets seems to be healthcare startup Curative, which is teaming up with the Oregon Health Authority. They're testing at the convention center and other spots around the Portland area.
To keep themselves and their loved ones safe. And that's really what it's all about for us.
Blake Lackey is Senior Director of Operations for Curative's National Division. He says in the last few days, testing at their 22 sites across Oregon has doubled. They're planning to open 10 more Oregon testing sites in January, including 4 in the Portland metro area. Lackey suggests making an appointment online at curative.com, although they do take walk-ups. He says about half the people in this line had appointments, but given high volume, waiting is still part of the process.
We're very sympathetic to people that obviously are there for a reason. They're probably unsure of what's going on and they just want some answers.
Doctors are still learning about the Omicron variant, but right now, this much is clear.
When you get one of the tests, virtually all the tests will be positive. If you've got Omicron.
Clark County Health Officer Dr. Alan Melnick says the same rules still apply for preventing the spread of COVID regardless of the variant.
Avoiding gatherings, especially gatherings where where masks are not being used and physical distancing is not possible. And people who are unvaccinated should get vaccinated.
Health officials say that includes people who've already had COVID. Also, those eligible for a booster should get one. The Oregon Health Authority just expanded holiday hours at several vaccination sites. For instance, in Gresham, at the former Kmart building on Northwest Burnside Road. That site will now be open December 23rd and 26th, 2 days on which they had planned to close. So what if you can't get a COVID test and you think you might be sick? Clackamas County's public health director suggests you might have to make some tough decisions.
Have good communications with one another and just be open and honest about how you're feeling. If someone doesn't feel well, stay home. That's critical.
Katherine Cook, KGW News.